Explaining the difference between hacking and ethical hacking. Hacking is the illegal or illegal practice of accessing data stored in any system by experts and hacking professionals. These experts are termed as hackers. Hackers have all the knowledge related to programming and its concepts. Black hat hackers' objective: steal valuable information from another user, gain through transactions and accounts, and to get access to free music and videos. White hat hackers' objective: to improve the security framework in a system, developing high-security programming language like Linux, developing most of the security software for organizations, and checking and updating security software. Other methods of hacking. Phishing. In this kind of hacking, hackers use their skills to hack passwords of emails or websites. People usually receive phishing emails in their inbox. Botnets. Sometimes, robots do the hacking job through botnets. Keyloggers. Hackers install a device on a motherboard port and steal information typed on the keyboard. Hackers versus crackers. Hackers usually have an advanced level of knowledge regarding computer security and possess all the technical knowledge required as well, but are not necessarily skillful as hackers. Crackers possess highly advanced and technical knowledge and can create software and tools that are powerful enough to damage and exploit systems after analyzing the system's weak areas. Conclusion. In conclusion, thus it is safe to say that hackers break into systems entirely to check for gaps in it and rectify them to update the systems, whereas crackers break into the systems with the intention of exploiting them and for personal gains.